Hey guys, what's up? If you want to use the send without sound feature on Telegram and you are wondering how to do so, in today's video we are going to guide you through the process to send a silent message. So let's just get started. You can start by opening up the Telegram application for that on your device, and once you open up Telegram, you may go to a specific chat where you want to send a message. For example, this is the specific chat I would like to send the message. And from here, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and type in the message that you would like to send. Once you do so, what you can do is you can basically go ahead and cut the send icon, the paper pen icon in the right side of your screen. So you can hold it up, and when you hold it up, you will be finding a menu option with option called send without a sound. So you just need to select the option called send without a sound and tap on it. And once you do so, the message will be sent but without sound from the pop-up menu that appears. And it is a very useful feature if you're messaging someone who might be in a meeting, asleep, or otherwise unable to be interrupted by a sound notification. And that way, the recipient will receive the notification on their device, but it will be a silent notification, often indicated by crossed out bell emoji, so they know that it was sent quietly. So, therefore, this is it, guys. If you want to send a message without sound on Telegram, you can follow up this process. So do not forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.